What if 6 months from now you are working from home with your kiddos by your side, knowing without a doubt in your mind that you never had to go back to your 9 to 5? What would your life look like if you were able to replace your income from home, working only a few hours a week? I want to extend a super special invite to all of you amazing listeners of the show. In just a few short days, I'll be hosting a free workshop called The Number One Way to Start Working from Home. In this workshop, I'll teach you the 5 P's of becoming a successful and profitable virtual assistant. I was able to quit my teaching job and replace my income within 6 months with my newborn daughter by my side, and I've helped so many other amazing women just like you do the same. You'll learn how you can use your skills to make a consistent income without having to go back to school and invest in a new degree. This free workshop will take place September 28th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, and there will also be a replay that will only be available for those who register. Hurry over to arianavernier.com/free-workshop. That's ARIANNAVERNIER.com/free-workshop, or go find the link in the show notes. I can't wait to see you there.